to all my friends out there. So one of the things we started eating was these. These are good. They're not as really as bad as some snacks, and then these are really good too. I'm at 99 cents only, and you know, might as well get the liter for 99 cents. And then I bought salsa because you know I did the videos better rice, and then you know I bought 2 of these. And tonight I'm making some baked chicken, and then I bought this for the Stealthy car living. The main thing is I want to make sure I have cans of food. All right, this was left under messages for better rice. And thank you for leaving this recipe. I'm gonna make this tonight. I'm excited. I had to get some salsa. It's everything I already have, and I already have chicken. Okay, for the chicken, I dust the chicken in flour, and I cover the chicken with cream of chicken, or you can use gravy, you know, those packages of gravy, and bake 350. And so this is gonna be, this is actually a pretty significant amount of food. I think it's a good deal. I have exactly $10 here, so okay, I will see you. Tonight I'm doing a hairstyle. This is not from America, but it's really easy. Anyone can do it and look pretty if you have a party. And then I'm gonna be having some chicken and better rice. And thank you guys for the messages. They're really helpful. You know, I have, you know, this Stealthy car living thing happened from a message. You know, you could use your stockpile like a camping trip, a little camping trip. So thank you guys for the messages, and God bless you all.